heard someone argue whether it's schedule or schedule,
Color or color.
which is correct, British English or American English.
People around the world are constantly debating.
Throw the differences between British English and American English.
Today we're here to take you on a fun journey.
This is Angel and I will play the role of British English.
This is Nusrat and I will play the role of American English.
Let's get started. Is there any rules to identify the differences between British and American English? Let's dive into the rule. Rule 1. In case of American, R সবসময় উচ্চারিত হবে সর্বদা এবং ব্রিটিশে R সবসময় সাইলেন্ট থাকবে। Example: CAR. In case of American, this is called car, and in case of British, this is called car. CARE. In case of America, this is called care, and in case of British, this is called care.
রুল 2, ওয়ার্ডের শেষে আমেরিকার ক্ষেত্রে অর এবং ব্রিটিশের ক্ষেত্রে আওয়ার। এক্সাম্পল HONOUR in case of America, honor, in case of British, honor.
Rule 3. ভার্বের past এবং past participle করার সময় ভার্ব ed অথবা টি যোগ হয়। এখন in case of American ed যোগ হবে এবং in case of British ঠ বা টি যোগ হবে। Let's get example. Okay, and then dream. Verb 3 অথবা past participle from in case of America, this called dreamed. Dreamed. And in case of British, dreamed. Dreamed. And another one example was learn. Verb 3 or past participle from in case of America, this called learned. Learned. Another one in case of British, this called learned. Learn.
রুল 4, ওয়ার্ডের শুরুতে WH হলে আমেরিকায় হ হয় এবং ব্রিটিশে ও উচ্চারিত হয়। এক্সাম্পল WHEN. In case of America, when. In case of British, when. WHERE. In case of America, where. In case of British, where.
Now let's have some fun with British and American words. Let's start.
Laser.
Laser.
Water.
No, water.
Vitamin.
Oh my god, not vitamin, it's vitamins.
Either.
Either.
Semi.
Semi.
Lust.
Last.
Attitude.
Attitude.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Hot.
Hot.
While.
While.
That's all.
No more today.
Thank you for listening us.
With keep patience.
Bye.